Hi! Today I will show you other things that you have not done yet in recording yourself or recording your lesson through Zoom. I have a cool sharing how will you make your PowerPoint into a background. Isn't it cool? So I would suggest if you are not using a Zoom as one of your platform in teaching or remote learning, this is just a great way for you to record your lesson and use a PowerPoint as your background. So to start with, if you have something in Google Slide document that you want to present, I would recommend you to download that as a PowerPoint or Microsoft PowerPoint and then try to open it in the Zoom and set it up. So, and I'll show you the rest and how you do that. So, given that you have a Google Slide in your Google Drive, so for example, I want to present this, the first thing that you need to do is to download it as a Microsoft PowerPoint. Because if you will use Google Slides, it won't work. So go ahead and click File, Download, and then go hit Microsoft PowerPoint and wait for the download. So in my case, I download it here. So I want to know which folder I download that because I don't want to go around and look for which one does it save. So I will go ahead and grab that and save it to a folder where I can find it. Okay, there you go. I'm done. Then, so the first thing that you need to do is to open your Zoom. Okay, so I'm ready. Okay, go hit start. Okay, then if you are presenting, so go hit share. So instead of doing the basic one, these are the common screen that we are sharing, screen 1 or screen 2 if you have screen 3 or you want to use your whiteboard. But this time, you're going to go ahead and click advance. Go click advance and go here where it says PowerPoint as a virtual background. So, but the downside, let me show you, okay? The downside of this is you cannot able to annotate it. But if you will just presenting a slide and you want to impress your boss or you want to impress your students, this is the best thing that you need to do. I would recommend this for social studies or English teachers. So I'm gonna click this. And since I found where I save my file, where it says copy of welcome to APCSA, look what will happen. Bam! Look at that. My background is my PowerPoint that I will be presenting. At the same time, I'm here in front of my PowerPoint. So this is where you can access these slides. I have 19 slides. So you will just go click this one. See? See how cool this is? As what I said, you cannot annotate any of your slide. So instead, I would recommend you just to have like, uh, annotate it already or annotate it before you will present it to the class. So I hope you learned something new and cool stuff for your remote teaching. Enjoy! Bye!